To add Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet, follow these steps. Open Coinbase Wallet. Launch the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. Access the Receive feature. On the main screen, tap on the Receive button to get your wallet address. Select Ethereum. If prompted, choose Ethereum as the asset you want to receive. Copy wallet address. You will see your Ethereum wallet address. Copy this address to your clipboard. You can also scan the QR code if the sender prefers. Transfer ETH from another wallet or exchange. Open the wallet or exchange where your ETH is currently stored. Go to the Send or Withdraw section. Paste your copied Ethereum address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of ETH you wish to transfer. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Confirm transaction. After confirming, the ETH transfer will be processed. It might take a few minutes to appear in your Coinbase wallet. Verify receipt. Check your Coinbase wallet to ensure the ETH has arrived.